Welcome to Dan ARG YouTube. Edo election done over. Adams Oshomole, the former national APC chairman, and Philip Shaibu, the Edo State deputy governor, two of them don't become friends. You remember how two of them fight during the election campaign? Nobody go ever expect say two of them go become friends again. But today, two of them sit down, take picture together. They don't become friends again. Comrade Stanley Osaze Osakwonokwodim don't come here. Can't let people know. Say election done over. He no dey fight anybody again. If anybody dey, wey be the expectant, make he still carry on the fight. He say make they sorry. The person wey he support don already win. He no get anybody wey he go still dey fight. Make I leave you with Comrade Stanley Osaze Osakwonokwodim. Make you hear the message we bring come today. Enjoy the video.
Great good morning to ever conscious and the people worldwide. I remain my humble self, your noble right activist, Comrade Stanley Osaze Osakwonokwodim. I am glad today for having the opportunity to come out live to discuss, because as we speak, the engagement that Edo people worldwide is giving to me, I so much love and appreciate it. And by the power of our ubiquitous God, it's really engaging my time, which is what I have been aspiring for right from my days in the alma mater. I just choose to come out this morning to use this medium to emphatically thank Edo Worldwide for your efforts so far in patronizing Stanley Osaze Enterprise. The truth of the matter is very simple. I have never come out here one day to tell you that I'm tired of my job. I love my job, and I will continue to appreciate you for patronizing me. I am not the best in Edo State. There are more competent aficionados in this profession than me. But you took it upon yourself to always engage me. As we speak today, your engagement has created employment opportunity for more than, as we speak, we are going to work. Look, your engagement has created employment opportunity for more than 10 persons working under my consortium. And the whole of them now have the capacity to meet up to their primary needs. I have never come out on social media to tell you that I do not need help. I need help. And you cannot continue to dash me money. You have dashed me money in the past because of the elections and other activities. As at now, it is the time for us to show our expertise and to show what we have in stock. And as we speak, Osakwonokwodim brought his out, and you patronize. That is why God will continue to bless you. Believe you me, if I should come out to tell you now that you are not helping me, I am a liar. You are helping me. You are helping me. Because if I do a survey with lodgement for you, or I do an ordinary survey for you without lodgement, at the end of the day, I get my benefit. Even if I'm rendering services, the services are available everywhere, but you choose Usakwinokodi. So it therefore means that you are helping me, either directly or indirectly. Somebody called me yesterday. He said, "Comrade, during the elections, I didn't send you a dime. But I want to tell you the truth. I was not prepared to do a CFO and land survey. But because I want to extend gesture to you, comrade, go and do my CFO and land survey." As I have earlier said from the initial stage, I said I will not bill anybody if I want to do a CFO for you. After the work, you will show your personal appreciation. Let me shock you. The appreciation that I've gotten in this work is even more than what I have expected. I did not come out to tell you that I do not need help. I need help. And the help is what you are helping me right now. For you to patronize Usakwinokodi, you are helping me. You are helping me. So as a matter of urgency, I must reciprocate by saying thank you consistently. Let me quickly state this. After elections, it is expected that as a citizen, everybody comes together to achieve the aim, the collective aim of the state. Obaseki is the governor of those states, but he can never develop Edo alone. He can never. No matter how highly intelligent he may be, the development of a state is a collective resolve. Decorum, please. It's a collective resolve. So if Usakwinokodi is hating on the next man after election, I believe that may be considered as foolishness on my part. So sorry for those who may be disappointed that after elections Usakwinokodi is no longer fighting. Sorry to say, I am more than 18 years. I am more than 18 years. I know what is good for me. We have won this time for proper governance. I cannot sing my personal praise that I delivered the government. No, I cannot. It is you that is watching me that will say, a boy na here, he try or he not try. Nemo to des in Kaseswa. No man shall be a judge in his own case. Audi Oteran Patin. You must hear directly from the party first before judging. So, if I choose to say, now so I do this, now so I do that, now so I do this, that is to say, I have not done anything. I should not be the one singing my praises. Let those watching us, because the victory in Edo State was a collective resolve. Now let me give a classical example. I was on the street, moving from place to place, campaigning with my squads on ground. The question is, I was spending. Did I spend my money? No. Did I share my personal? No. How much do I have to share? People sent me and they gave me this material to share, which aided my campaign. Will I not come out to say, Osakwenokwodi on Wawe? Who be Osakwenokwodi? Not be tree near tree, not be make monkey the feet jump from tree to tree. Who be Osakwenokwodi if the resources not there? If there is no resources, no matter how intelligent you may be, your intelligence will die a natural death. The resources and support globally made it possible. So, and I want to tell you this, since this election over, so I've only visited government house twice. I love the governor, I am with the governor, but truth of the matter is, election don't finish. There is no matter what the governor give me, you know, if it satisfy my quest. As a man, I just got to face my hustle. And God cause it doing, and those people worldwide come give me patronize my consortium. And you expect me to come out now and say, I want to tell you now, those where they give me job, they not tell me say they be APC. They not tell me say they be PDP. They not tell me say they be ABGA. They call me so Osakwenokwodi. In case you are not aware, I have gotten job from both APC, PDP and ABGA. I don't get that from everyone. Election is not war. If they give only Osakwenokwodi government, say take the benefit, I will run because I can't take it alone. Even if I want to take it alone, I will die. How? Now government. When you say government, it involves the conglomeration of different people, of different ideas coming together to form a unified system. So when everybody get together, now make they say, people they tell you, say, who be the government? Not be me and you. We are already government, but we are together. Let's try to make Edo great collectively. Let us not prevent ourselves nor others. This is a message to the opposition. Election don't pass. No go get progress. We go build Edo. You say because not be our party, we are not go talk on. No. Come and bring your ideas to build Edo. PDP gave Obaseki the ticket. Obaseki is not the governor of PDP. Now we be PDP. Now all of us be PDP. Now our party give governor ticket, but the governor is the governor of Edo State. Whether you be Abga, you cannot act in this state now against the rule of law, and you say the governor not take action against you. The governor is the governor of everybody, and not for those who supported him alone. By the power of God Almighty, may God continue to give us the wisdom and ability to manage ourselves. I do not pray to have what will make me deviate from my real person. Now let me give you a classical example. There was a time in my area where we were in the past. Guinness water can't disturb the area. The area can't sue Guinness, can't drag. Guinness can't pay everybody compensation. Now everybody move, come over for the area. Till date, I not leave the area. I not leave the area. I not say that all the money where they pay, it don't finish. It done. So we say we not did the area, we don't pass that level. Go and check that today. But we did the area till tomorrow. Osakwenokwodi is a very local boy. No overrate me. I might not reach the way you tell the rate me. I might not reach. No, you overrate me. I just be one local boy normal for streets. I get my own mistake. Oh. I get my own mistake as a man. In fact, me self see the fuck up at the time. Sorry for using the F word. Me self the fuck up at the time. Sometimes just still do me go just still mess up. So not be every time me sit to the right. It gets sometimes where be say you supposed to blame me, say, because I when you hold yourself too much. Because I be human being, me myself, the faith too. But I pray to God Almighty to continue to guide me. Make I not go commit willful sin. Sin where you know say na sin and you go sin now. May God not let me sin now. And I not pray to God. I'm sorry, I pray to God. May God not let me get any kind of success where go make me start to misbehave. I know can feel live my normal life. As I did, so not be say I dey talk like you. I can wear ordinary singlet from here to US. I not send. I can sit down here now. I heard the live video. I heard come out. I not send. I not get anybody where they want impress. Say, may they say now there was Sakonokodi. Now so I get this, I get that. No. Now God, may I get power. I dey fear to love people. I dey fear to love blind man. Because normal like fool. No kiaruau. It gets some people where they born, their eye open, that they see. But today they are blind. It gets some where they born, they're blind, but today they see. It gets some. So the truth of the matter is very simple. In this life, may God, now open prayer, not let me get the kind of success where go make me start to misbehave. If God knows say that success will make me misbehave, make and deprive me from getting it in Jesus' name. Amen. May God deprive me because I enjoy more of lucre than snob appeal, ostentatious purpose. May they say now win and those talk, you know, what they know I don't want. I know you want. That's why tomorrow in my zone, before you win the election, I must be part of one. I know they give them money. But I know everybody by name and everybody know me by name. I know everybody by name and no one I know the fee associate with. A day to the elections, I for snap picture. Men wear POI shirt and cap. They stand. I wear Obaseki shirt and cap. All of us sit down, they drink together. You did to election. Election not be war. I go your campaign. Talk your own. Make I talk my own. Thank you. Talk your own. Make I talk my own. Maybe election. Go to call that man for me. Take. Sorry, excuse me, sorry. Fair give her. They call her for me. Excuse me. Sorry, please. Epadomo, I know get chance go buy that thing. So go buy her. Eh? When you reach there, if you don't price and finish, call me. I'll send you the money. If I will work here anyway, you know what? Guy, like
that one will hard. I got work for grand. Okay. And what me want to do for this thing, not be small.
Okay. No worry now.
What will happen now? You sign there for person.
Okay. I know what to do. I dey come. I'll just do my work. I'll go do and come. I dey come. Domo sir. Sorry, I have to just fix some certain things. Now, election as I felt cannot be war. If who was Sam Oshomole and Filishaibu, now they sit down together with this man. It get where you go grow rich your life. you know say you yourself as a youth need to stay wise too. Somebody say dumb Baba Tornero. Say Stanley, your voice it be like lion voice. Boss, lion dey body will not be joke, not be yoke. It dey body, but we not defend trouble. No, make peace reign. Na so life be. If the Benin boy not get your take door now, you can never be a door man. But the truth of the matter is this: if you gotta use your lionship capacity to misbehave when your mate they think. At the end of the day, see, let me tell you one thing about me. I try as much as possible. We are humans. Jealousy must come to your mind as a human being, but the ability to kill that jealousy through self-control matters. What can you hear? That's what can you hear out Chipoli. And man you be. So the ability to kill that spirit of jealousy through self-control may be progress. So if Philip Shaibu, His Excellency, come with Philip Shaibu and Oshomole can see it. Now brother, rest. I go your campaign. Talk your own. Make I talk my own. Talk your own. Make I talk my own. Now it be. When this election they go on, I cannot come here now can't deny and say many people will not be my friend. They are my friends. Everybody for Bobina are my friend. I don't have enemy. But during the election, I make sure say me and my friend where did your daddy divide. We separate. Why did we separate? Why did we separate? I don't want to make me and them come sit down. They talk on, they argue. I feel use word or language where go pay down, where go hard down to forgive me after election. So if you be my friend, get that side. See you do the other divide midday here. Fight your fight, and fight my fight. I know I'm gonna meet. Make it not be like say, because definitely I will protect. Oh, clear road. You say that now you lose guard me. Not be so. This guy will greet me just now, say Stanley, we are here now for election ground in 2016. Now war between me that face to face. After I not gonna be say Matt talk. I say now war, I say street credibility. Now be say Stanley, we are here now. As the election finish, now me go apologize. We start with the wrong thing. It don't finish now, not be election. Not be election. Oh, you don't want to talk by hey, Baba, what? That's the Otogu of youth. Who they? Are you getting the point? Now public area with this, so now my area be this. Now make it see what they go on. Now most will be that SLE. Now who they Zuzu? I mean, when I grew up, my son, my said, who kiri la who I grew up verse. Now so it be. We not get time for sadness. We not get any meal. But we feel run from people. When we know say those people they not like us. Either maybe we fuck them up unknowingly, or they just choose to develop hatred. We not the plan to fight back. Our lay. That's to say, it shows say our friendship or collabo is no longer welcome. The best thing is we are discharged. We are discharged. That one be say clear, say that person no want us. Move the plea. So at this our age, we don't pass who they say come and let's play. No. Not before me. That one I believe they call a negbe. Supposed to a negbe. You know yourself. I beg, call that bottle water for me. You need to know yourself as well. So, of a truth, I never come out. Can't tell those people say, I don't tire for my work. I never tire. I'm not sure say I will get time for social media saga. So they thought to me just now I call come. Person don't wait for me for set. They are been the saga. They are my number winner me. Or we mama sakuno go. When a man moon or mama tiwe. All the ever see what you soon. I do not want that. I do not want that. I do not want that. All I want is for me to continue to remain focused and determined. And this one is a message to all those watching me. Whether you be PDP, APC, APGA, you be member of my party, the PDP, as the case may be. I may have offended you in one or two ways, my brother. If the election, I bet you forget more pass. It don't end. I agree a campaign, no. I talk my own and you talk your own. People come by my own, say that my own they like, now they give who me support. Now you win. Not be quarter with quarter, not be war. It wasn't a war. Now election we do. It is normal that during election, people tend to divide across party lines in a normal level. Because it's like a competition. You are striving to win, I'm striving to win. In that case, we tend to use all arsenals, intellectual and otherwise, within our disposal. To achieve our aim. The same way you reserve the right to do that. That is why during the elections, when somebody comments, they insult me. I know go there, go insult you, but now you sabi. I will laugh. Already, you cannot distract me. Make me not here. If you make your focus your focal point, I'm not going to waste my time for back. When me get where me to go, you're going to distract me, you're going to really look you. I don't feel look you now. If I say I know the look you she face, you should know, say man, any distraction to me na uchi, and I don't want to look uchi face. So, election not be war. I don't tell you, say I tell for my sea of O war. I be the sea of O man. I beg, continue to give me your sea of O application. Continue to call me for your survey. If I do survey for you, if I tell you say na survey with lodgement, it will be lodged. If I tell you say na government survey, it will be government survey. If I tell you say this one will not go lodge on, will not go lodge on. We'll tell you as it be. We will tell you as it be. May God not let me use my own hand destroy my own progress in Jesus' name. The same prayer is applicable to you. The same prayer is applicable to you. I don't get problem with anybody, my brother. Or go and let's go in. You cannot expect me. I cannot win a battle and still be fighting. I don't win, I'll still be fight. What are the fight for? That is, I don't know what I do. I cannot win a battle and still be fighting. I don't win you, I don't destroy you, I don't scatter you. You don't do. I'll still the fight. That one means say I lack the ability to manage success. That one simply means say me lack the ability to manage success. I better make a tweet talk the whole way be the business or inside. Now it gets some controversy where people want to make I explain about sea of O. I want to really take this more time to explain now. Now, when you pay for tax clearance, which is 100,000 naira, otherwise known as development. If you pay them as Comrade Stanley Osazo Sakwinokodi, if you like to get 500,000 land, you do not need to pay that tax wise, because all the name where the land where you want cover meet David say the right owner Comrade Stanley Osazo Sakwinokodi. Now when it be Comrade John Osakbawan, you have to pay another one, because you can, my tax clearance cannot work for you. Your tax clearance cannot work for me. We all pay our individual taxes. That is it. Now, CFO application fee is 50,000 naira. When you don't pay for CFO application fee 50,000, you go pay the call that tax clearance development 100,000. Then if you want to come and get a call assessment, you will pay for assessment. Now for agriculture, because government they push for agriculture, they make them so cheap for assessment. I believe the highest assessment for agriculture is about 25,000, no matter how big the land is. But if not commercial, you want build hotel, so tell you has reach 150. If not residential, I never see residential for 100 by 100 we pass 33,000. For 1 by 2 we pass 45,000 for assessment. I've not seen. So these are the process. Then survey now one of the highest requirements. Now the survey, now they show you the boundary of where that your CFO cover. Because at the end of the day, you may lay claim on the land adjacent to your land because you get CFO. Because you get CFO. You say na me get it, and when you go to court, you will win. So your survey they identify where your CFO cover. That's why survey is one of the veritable tools in applying for a certificate of occupancy. My dear people of Edo State, Nigerians, I never had to see a daughter for my work. And here another one day. This one a direct apology. From day before yesterday and yesterday, people call me, and not take call. That one first now fuck up, but I want to tell you what happened. I quickly make one short travel to Lagos. I come out day for yesterday. I come today. I left Lagos yesterday by Ogbe. Which time we tell leave Lagos yesterday? I left Lagos by 10 o'clock yesterday night. After the go slow and everything, we land for my frontage by 5 a.m. in the morning. As we speak, I never sleep. If you watch on I'm already read. But you get work where I already promised me, say I can't do Saturday. It just made me come out of Lagos. Now the work and the drive they go now, yeah, where I don't tell you say customer too many. I better not get chance. Now where I get chance, so I get chance. If I never come inside your work as at now, not your vest for me. I better not carry the work come out to. I beg. I need your work. I need your work. Now help you, they help me. Forget say the render service. The service for everywhere. He said we'll not see you for destiny burial. The truth it not be destiny dash, but they don't invite me now. As they don't invite me, I know by myself. Destiny self don't know me. You don't know me. Now you're the truth with that one. So I know if you wear clothes here, they go burial. When the person where they do the burial don't know me, you now invite me. So now make I know go. Now the way they tell us say Usakuno Kodi come now we go. If you not tell us say Moku come, we know if he come. We know go fi come. So now of a true destiny don't know me. Now you're the fact that. So that's that. So another you say I don't tire, I beg. Even some people they we go done the verse already. See, me what I hear the column. We be safe. I beg no verse. Sometimes they you they call me direct. I go there on WhatsApp. Now that call of soon. I go there on WhatsApp. You go to call me direct. You go counter the WhatsApp call. Then the other phone go to ring. And I don't call. I not be the kind of person. I know if it tell this one say, oh, I can't talk again. No. I know if it tell her. So I was finished with that one. During that process, as me then, they get 24 hours headache. 24 hours headache. Because these are talk. But I not tell you say I don't tire. I need the headache. Because if I'm not ready to do this work, I know come out for social media. Come to tell you say give me. You don't give me finish now, they misbehave. No. I am able, I am capable, and I am ready to do it. Please do not be angry. Forgive my negligence. Don't withdraw your support from Usakuno Kodi. I beg of you. I beg of you. Continue to patronize me, please. I beg of you. My phone number, I not go forget to make drop the phone number because this phone for you off. I not see that let it charge on. 070 3610 9939. I repeat 070 3610 9939. WhatsApp 080 7974 2172. Direct call 080 7974 2172. Direct call. Although all of them they do direct call, but for those who like to call with WhatsApp, the other first one I be the WhatsApp. The two na WhatsApp before, but they can't hack them. So now this other one I they use now for WhatsApp. Get it clearly. I am not a loggerhead with anyone. I am not in a competition with anybody. One will be my own and my own. One will not be my own, not be my own. I know the collect person you do my own. Now my own, I they do. I be one man riot. I be one man Lebuke boy. Only me, I not tell you that. So I dey now, I dey with my team from my car now. Going to work. Now you aware. Because maybe I might not, the person who want to go do this work for now, I might not come now from Lagos. You go say, boy, I'm very serious. But you know, no say me go my own personal need to me go address. And this particular one, not my personal, because that my personal need me say me want go address. So now through this place, now if you take get with you, I'll take go sovereign. So I know they use my work play. As you see me so, I leave the house every day by 6 a.m. I wake up every day. This is not a joke. Call me for phone. Around 3, I'll pick your call, I'll talk to you. I don't sleep. When I say I don't sleep, don't mean I say I'm not ready to sleep at all. Get it clearly. If I sleep by 8, I sleep early, sometimes 10. As at 2, I don't wake. Now work arrangement. Oh, highlight. Okay. How many bacons are we going to buy? 2. Yeah, that's 2. I will drop you guys after I do after I do the arrangement of the work. I'll come out, I'll go buy wait after that myself and buy. So before I finish, I'll do carry on too. Open up. Now, we are talking about mama.
No, come back here. Okay.
As the guye odoyo boy charge any. Oh, very sorry. Pa, you know. La idene even watana water la dian idene voice where you yes idene mudiane we fian. This is the guy where I went to go and do survey. The man that was the spinal cord man. He wants to thank Edo people. He just went to the hospital now after a series of donation. Go on. Yeah, hello.
I said me to say, may I come back on Tuesday. Now Tuesday, now my doctor will see Dr. Udo. That is my doctor. They say may I come on Tuesday. That's why I want to beg this man now. I want to beg this man to start off with a here so that he will follow me come on Tuesday. Maybe we can gather come see doctor.
And I know.
That's why I call. I call now.
Okay, you know, say ever since when we do that video, me and you never feel see. Wait till they be say, I go use this opportunity to thank Edo people because this man tell me say, Edo people really show support for them. And now in the hospital, don't tell me say we go to the hospital today, but because the Lagos when I go, I hear the entire Benin not quite long and I go one walk. But I will try to, me I try to make me where we were now. They try. You understand? Where? Okay. All right. Domo. Yati way. All right. So this one are the man. That day when I go to now this young, spinal cord. Because Martin of a fire. Now say no, we not go feel alarm. And as we speak, this one a man will never feel go hospital since then. But because of the effort of Edo people, the man now he did now UBTH for the call just now. So we have to use this opportunity as well to thank you. Come down. They make arrangement revise. We have to use this opportunity as well to thank Edo people for their effort because it's not an easy task, you know, for what you guys did. The man now, he don't feel go hospital. As at the time we talk to Miller, he saying don't receive about 600 and something thousand naira. That's something, you know. So with that, say if he go feel treat, then pending when pending when we know say if there are still things that needed to be done, we will still come out. But I feel like handovering that man to these foundations made a cater for them, because the truth is, say me I no go lie you. It go hard for me to your get chance to take follow up with this man case. The only case when I want follow up for this man, now the issue against the Martin of itself. So we have prepared the correspondence. I need to officially notify the church. When church refuse to do what is right, we'll take appropriate action. Appropriate action without regret. Appropriate action without regret. So let me use the opportunity to thank you for helping that man as well. Let me use this opportunity to thank you. Thank you for helping that man. Because inside the help you help the man, it wasn't that one that you give her. We not give you money who. Now from inside your mind. The man is grateful. Usanode himself is grateful. Now so the man they call me 247. Yo, where's I said no. I said you call me again now. They live then I say me thank the people who do. I make my donations. That's how people make donation. I only use my platform to show you. I reserve no right to take an accolade for what everybody do. So make it thank now. 90 thank now. And by the power of God, I believe we are going to create more opportunity for him. They say on the day where they are aside, no network. I believe say next time I'll do a live video. I'll carry and go where network will day, so that I can address the word directly. Then I call on the foundations in Edo, the God Sent Foundation and Kolisimudia Foundation, to go and play an active role on this man. Wanna go down and work with that foundations. I believe your supporters will be willing to assist this man as well. Please. So I'm going to call on the likes of Master Scholar Edukpaye, Emmanuel S. Agbogun, and other activists, Omobudi Agu, other activists in the Edo State. You are going to play the activist role against the church if they fail to do what is right. So let me round up this video. Can somebody say, can you clear the issue of tax clearance? Yes, you can only pay tax clearance once. Not multiple taxation. When you don't pay for that tax clearance, and your name now Matthew, and all your land now Matthew, you cannot pay twice. It's for you to photocopy the documents they put. You apply for all the C of O's. All you need to do now is just pay your 50,000 naira, do your survey, you apply. Pay your 50,000 naira, do your survey, you apply. That's it. I think I've been able to answer that. So I never tire for this work. Mona they give me work, please. Mona they give me work. And this one physically help me. So I know more no you deceive ourselves. They help when they help me. Not be say maybe it's nice, maybe a sack will not holding. Now Facebook make people know we. If not, now you see normal looker. Because see the fee by MB. So please and please do the nursing. Somebody say, must you be invited? Must you be invited before you attend the event? Yes, sir. I must be invited before I attend any event. If my mother is doing anything and if you refuse to invite me, I will not be there. I will not be there. I will not. No. I will not be there. That's the way. my mother is celebrating anything, and my mother refused to invite me or to tell me, Osakuno Kudin, you will not do. I know go because not tell me. Maybe she get reason why she not tell me. I can't just bash her like that. Say I dey come. For what now? What if I can't go break up there? Tax clearance is 100,000. Tax clearance is 100,000. What if I can't go break up there? They don't tell me my P. So sorry, it's the truth. I will not go if I'm invited. I cannot deceive you. I'll begin at this age. Your job come out, they go party uninvited. I don't do that. Sorry, I can't do it. Excuse me. Hello. Hello? Domo. Abek. Baba wa talk pe. Okay. In real life. Domo so. Yeah. Egu baba. Yeah. Just one. So that's the truth. I can't go there if I'm not invited. So thank you very much for listening to me. I remain my humble self, your noble right activist. Comrade Stanley Osaze Osakwuno Kudin, the Coordinator General Edo Diaspora Connect Worldwide, the CEO Stanley Osadi Enterprise, and the CFO man Edo State. What remember Moku. Bye for now. Have a lovely day.
Now we don't hear from Comrade Stanley Osaze. Let us know what you think for this matter. Go to comment section, make you put your own for there. If you never subscribe to Dan ARG YouTube, I beg, try make you subscribe so that make you for day current with all the things when they happen for Edo State. So make I leave you with this video, make you help us share them. Thank you for watching Dan ARG YouTube.